today this is our setup and plan. And if you look closely, you can see that the market is trying to rebalance equilibrium. What am I trying to say? If you see, the market always does four things. The market creates liquidity, the market takes liquidity, and the market rebalance equilibrium, and then the market rebalance via value gaps, fills imbalances, right? Sorry for my voice. Then you can see we had a change of character to the downside on external structure. So we have a breakout structure to the upside. Then we have our external market structure shift to the downside, right? Then we have our is this mitigated? Oh, it's not. It's yeah. You find out this. We had our order block, which is here. Then we need to see this order block holding this price if you want to sell from here. And we're gonna move to 30 minutes and we see what's really happened on 30 minutes. So we need to wait for our confirmation. Our confirmation is very, very simple. Wait for the price. Then you get our sweep on lower time frame on 1 minute. Then you get our shift. Then we set our order limit or our external limit on either 15 minutes fair value gap or 5 minutes or 3 minutes or 1 minute. It depends on a larger FPG. Okay, that's it for Euro, for GU, and for Euro. Today I have CPI for Euro. I think you have to be a little bit more patient with Euro. Even yesterday we took a loss on Euro, but we had a very, very tight stop loss for 7-8 pips. It was for 7 pips stop loss. It was extremely. Then it's normal. Sometimes you're going to have your full confirmation, everything clean, then you still take a loss. That's why every time we have to use a proper risk management plan, right? Because there is no strategy that works 100%. Even 40% is good strategy. Even 48, if it goes 60%, it's one of the best strategies, right? And my strategy is around 67 to 74, around there, win rate. Then we have our change of character to the downside. This is a change of character to the downside, external market structure. So if you come here on 15 minutes, you can see the internal market structure. Break of structure to the downside, then change of character to the upside. Every time you take a loss, you have to analyze why you took a loss and you try to improve your strategy or your psychology. So when you find out why you took a loss on here, our first liquidity target, it was here. But the moment we got into this trade around here, the liquidity was already taken out, and we thought we could even target more liquidity lower because the price was moving down, and that was not the point. But first thing, your first liquidity before you enter the trade has to be open, or it has to be valid before it's swept. That's a problem we made here, but better one next time. And you're still holding UJ. If you remember, I have that UJ setup I sent on the other day on Monday, and it's still working very, very well. Then you had a change of character. Then you had a break of structure. And you can see that the market is moving well. It's trying to rebalance equilibrium. See, it came here, tapped in very nicely, then it continued up. And if you check one, the price is trying to rebalance equilibrium. You see, the price is trying to push back to this area. Then you're gonna be looking for sales from here. Although you can get sales from here, but I think it's trying to rebalance this equilibrium. Then let's wait and see. Then you also had a clean pullback. Is it? Let me check. No, it's not a pullback. That means this is still our valid order block. Then for gold, it's the same thing for gold. It's also trying to rebalance equilibrium. But for it, it's now balanced. Then you can start looking for sales. If you get that confirmation. If you don't get that confirmation, you're going to continue buying these. Change of character to the upside. Break of structure to the upside. Continuation to the upside. Continuation to the upside. So my plan is very, very simple. Just need to see the price coming back to this one mitigated already. Just need to see the price dropping back. This was the first one. This was a clean one. Just need to see the price coming back here. Then I will look for buy confirmation. Then I'll continue buying this price. It's gold. Super, super simple. Super, super aggressive, but good. DJ moving nicely. You can clearly see that. Break of structure to the upside. The good thing with GBP JPY setups, they move all day. They move in London session, they move in New York session, they move in Asian session. That means you can trade them anytime you feel like, as long as it's not sitting session. let's make it like that. Then automatically, if you come down to our internal market structure, you can tell the market is still bullish. Then you need to see this price shifting bullish before we try to buy it. But my main focus here is very, very simple. There are two opportunities then, but the main one, I think the price is going to disrespect this sell order block. Then I'll wait for the break, then a retest, then I'll look for confirmation from here so that I can continue buying. But if the price is not strong enough, it can shift from here, then we get a little bit pull back to this liquidity, then you can make some money. Then for GU, super simple. We're still holding this. This is our final take profit for the setup price for the signal I sent on Monday, and I'm still holding it. But I can still take more trades because we had our break of structure to the downside. Then we had our change of character to the upside. Still external structure. Then break of structure to the upside. Then break of structure to the upside. And then continuation break of structure to the upside. So we have our external order block. Then our plan is still very simple. We just need to wait for the price to come back here. Then you look for buys. Then you continue up. That's scenario number one. But this is the main scenario. Maybe if the price disrespect this zone, then you're gonna be looking for sales. Super simple. And that's it, guys. Peace out. And one of the most important thing is to be consistently disciplined, consistently in the market. Because the only way you're going to learn is to be consistent in the market and have a proper risk management plan. Believe in yourself, learn more, take more trades, have a calculated risk, and take only A+ setups. And focus on your strategy. We have more than a million strategies that do work. But the most important thing is to focus on your strategy. And in less than 200 days, you'll be starting to be making serious money. So if I give you my strategy, it's okay. You can trade it, but you can also have your own strategy. Because this is one of my strategies. I have two strategies. I have the day trading strategy and the intraday, the one like scalping strategy on 1 minute. But I prefer this one for a start. For the other one, if after mastering this one, then you can add in the scalping strategy. For some